In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on Wix. With your site open in the Wix editor, we'll walk through adding the button, customizing its label and appearance, and setting up where it links, so visitors can take action right from your page. Start by opening the Add Elements panel. Look to the left side of the editor for the plus icon. This is your gateway to everything you can place on a page. Clicking it reveals categories like text, images, and in our case, buttons. Choose the button category. This opens a gallery of presets designed to match different styles and use cases. You'll see simple shapes, outline styles, and more decorative options. Don't worry about the exact look just yet. You can fine-tune later. Open the text and icon button section. These options are handy because they can include an icon next to your label, which can improve clarity and draw attention. If you prefer something minimal, you can still switch to text only later in the settings. Pick a button you like, then drag and drop it onto your page. As you move it around, the editor will show smart guides to help you align it with other elements. Place it where it naturally fits your layout, often near a headline within a section or at the end of a content block to signal the next action. With the button selected, click Settings. This opens a panel where you control what your button says, shows, and links to. Think of this as the button's brain. Type the text you want displayed on the button. Keep it action-oriented and concise. Phrases like "get started," "contact us," "Sequins," or "shop now" work well. Make sure the label clearly matches what happens after someone clicks. Next, choose what displays on the button. Click the option to decide between text only, icon only, or text with an icon. Icons can reinforce meaning, like a mail icon for contact or a cart for shopping, but make sure they don't overpower the text. Aim for good contrast and readability. Now, set the destination. Click. Choose a link to tell the button where to go. You can link it to an existing page on your site, a specific section or anchor, an external URL, a file, or other available destinations. Pick the correct target, then confirm. If you're linking off-site, consider opening it in a new tab to keep visitors on your site. That's it. Your button is in place, labeled clearly, displaying the right content, and linked to the right destination. Adjust its position as needed, and you're all set to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go.